Hello, just gonna reverse this. Hello, good morning, happy Monday. Just having a bit of exercise. Let's go chase this ball. Anyway, just doing a live this morning. Just out playing a bit of ball. Got to try and lose some weight. I got this big cheeseburger storage shed here at the moment, building. So trying to break up my routine. I got a treadmill, exercise bike, and then so just try and break it up. Beautiful day here on the coast, and but today, so it's Monday payday in the ICO Gold Rush passive income system, and we've also got our webinar 36 tonight. So it's 36 straight Mondays where we discuss all the best ICOs and we talk about the income, the passive income system that we're all about 300 or 400 of us that are in. So everyone gets paid today, pretty much, unless they haven't jumped in yet. And then other than that, we've got two new. I've got to stop doing this while I'm shooting. I've got two new coins coming out tonight. How you going, NG? Thanks for jumping on, man. Two new coins tonight. One's definitely to get into. It's our top performing coin or project, upgrade I should say. Definitely jumping into that one because I missed out the first time, and a lot of us did miss out. I'm running. Sorry. And so a lot of us missed out either because they've only just come into the ICO Gold Rush passive income system, or we just, because it was at the beginning, some of us probably didn't understand how it all worked. So, but now, definitely jumping into that one. And then we've got another coin. I don't know if that's going to be a slow or a faster one. Oh, well, back. So I just lost connection then. But so all will be revealed after our webinar tonight or during the webinar, and hopefully probably get paid this afternoon. If you're interested, guys, my link's above, or message me on Facebook. Always open to talking to people on Messenger. And other than that, guys, I'll see you on my next video. Hopefully tomorrow, actually. I'll be doing a video tomorrow actually about the payouts and how I went this week. So other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.